Okay guys, let's try next time. We have to be quick because it's gonna rain anytime. So just hold on here. Yes, yes. Okay my friends, we've got it. We've got it. And I want to discuss with you what I've done. Firstly, I retarded the timing about 1 or 2 degrees, but I don't think that is the main thing. Let me show you. That you see on the solenoid. On the solenoid you will see a new wire with a yellow. That was a red wire that was always off, and it came from the ignition, I believe. So I've tried that right in the beginning, but only put the crocodile clip on it and then click it onto that connection. But then at the time it backfires a lot, and it gave me the suggestion to connect that wire to that point there, and I make a new better connection with a new lock. And in between, you remember, we've cleaned the plugs that was totally faulty, and between the two it starts now up. So this is now very good news, and it runs great. So I think the next plan will be to get fuel in the tank so that it can run on its own power or fuel, and then I can continue with all the engine mounts and the gearbox mount that is not all fixed yet, and then we can test drive it and see how the clutch is and so on. So I think for now it's gonna rain now anytime. You will see it's rain already. You can see the mountain is about gone, so it's gonna rain now anytime. So I'm going to make this a short video and it'll run. My friends, thanks for your support all the time. Eventually we've got it running. Okay my friends, hope you like it, and look out for the next video. Cheers, bye bye.